This one won't power on. Um, As you can see, we want to plug it in, and then we push the power button and nothing will show. Nothing is going to show right here. Nothing. So no light indicator, nothing. So no power was in, and the customer said the computer just shut down. So what we're going to do is just remove we want to remove the back plate. This one right here. Unplug the battery and power the computer on with a charger. And if everything is good, it should be fixed right away. So let's do this one right here. This is a brand new computer. It's like 6 months old, and the customer is already having issues. So we're gonna keep track of our screws. Normally this brand has the same screws, same size. But I was wrong. This one is a smaller one than the rest. So these ones right here in the front are gonna be shorter than the other one. Okay. Now remove find the little gap. And carefully just go around. Do not force anything. There we go. Everything should come off nicely. Alright, so we have the battery connector right here. Like I said, this normally happens when the BIOS update was going on and the computer shut down in the middle of it. So right now we have that one. No power. Is connected to the outlet. No power. Push the power button. Nothing. Nothing. So we're gonna disconnect the battery. Push the power button for 15 seconds. All right, and then we plug we are not connecting the battery back in. We're just gonna see how the computer reacts. We connect the power. Still no indicator light, but now we push the power button and we have image now. The computer is loading. Very easy and simple fix. Now if the customer doesn't want you, he didn't leave a password or anything, so you cannot troubleshoot anymore. But right now the computer wasn't powering on, and now we have an image. It's loading. So what we can do is just shut it down. With the shutdown, okay, we wait for the computer to shut down, close it, connect the battery back in, connect the power, we have indicator light, the keyboard is lighting up, and we have an image. So basically what we're going to do is just let the computer to charge, and then hopefully that stays that way. Once the customer gets home, connected to the internet, update, and everything should be good. Very very simple way to fix a computer with a black screen or that won't power on. Okay, so we fixed this one already. It didn't take that long. Now we can plug the connector. The computer is still on.